Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a knife unboxing. I won this in an auction, and if I'm not mistaken, this one I paid $110.45 for. So in this particular auction, everything I bought is all the same. It's just a bunch of duplicates, and I feel like I got a pretty good deal here. So let's get started and see what we got. If I'm not mistaken, there should be 13 of them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 actually. So that's better than I thought. I thought it was 13, but 15 sounds better. Now these are all the same here. And they are Chevron Texaco. Well, that's pretty cool, huh? And I looked them up and I couldn't find any just like this at all. So I saw some red ones, and some of them they're asking quite a bit of money for. But just one of these little knives like this alone is about 25 bucks. So $110 divided by 15. That's a pretty good deal there. I'm not exactly sure what it comes out to, but let me figure it out. Okay, so it comes out to $7.37, something like that. So that's not a bad score. And I believe they're pretty rare because I can't actually find another blue one that says Chevron Texaco. So there's 13 right there. I mean 15. Now 4 of them are missing the sleeves, but I got this lot, and then I got one more. Now this box of knives I paid $85.74 for. And this was another knife auction. With some more. All right, now we got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we got 13 in this lot, and one of them said 18, but that's what I counted. I counted 13 in one and 15 in the other, and ended up, they must have made a mistake in the description, but that's still okay. When it comes down to it, I paid about $7 a piece, and that's not a bad deal. I'd say, you know, it might take some time to sell all these, but I should double, maybe triple, possibly a little bit more than that. Just gonna have to see what happens. But anyhow, I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more unboxings or restorations, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day today.